Hello everyone, this is David from iconsinfocom, and today we are going to learn about a new feature which has just been launched by the LiquidText team, that is called as collaboration. So what happens with the collaboration is that you can share your project files with another advocates within your organization or outside the organization. So let's quickly jump into it. So this is my home screen of the LiquidText. Now let's say I want to work or I want to collaborate with another advocates and to share a few things with him. So what I can do is, if you see on the top right corner, there's a share button. I just have to click on that and I have to click share and just enter the email ID of that person who is using the LiquidText. So I'm using my colleague's mail ID. I've clicked on, and you have to go to the content visibility, whether you have to see what documents you need to share. Yes, I want to share this. I want to share this. This is there is two workspaces. One is for me, that should not be shared, and this is Joel. We can share everything to them. That's the common thing. So I click here. That is done, and I'll wait for my colleague to get joined. As you can see, my colleague has received that mail on their email ID. You just have to click into this, and then if you click into this, there's the access project for a link. You have to click on to your product, and it will take you to the LiquidText. So depending upon the speed of the internet, your project gets loaded. Now, as you can see, my project work has come to this, where you can add few things or whatever you want. I can check and make inklinks. So let's say my colleague has sent me few things, so I can make inklinks, whatever things I want to work. I found out okay, this is important for me. I can take out auto excerpts and connect. And this is applied. Okay, I can make all those changes over here. So as you can see, I have two workspaces of my name and one with my colleague's name. Now let's say I want to change, I want to add few things in the last moment. Then I can simply drag and add it to the drag and drop. I've added more space over here. Few things whatever you want, I can keep on adding. And one more point I can. Okay, so that's done. Let's see on my, whether he can see, my colleagues can see that. So as you can see, whatever changes I've made, it has shown in my colleague's workspace, and I've added from my personal workspace to the common workspace. I've added that. So this way you can have a collaboration done with your fellow colleagues or any other peers. You can do that. Okay, so that was the video. Thank you.